Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and help to prepare to the code interview. Today I try to find the solution for the problem number 1441, build an array with stack operations. You are given an integer array target and an integer n. You have an empty stack with the two following operations. Push pushes an integer on the top of the stack, and pop remove the integer on the top of the stack. You also have a stream of the numbers in the range 1 to 10 to n. Use the two stack operations to make the numbers in the stack from the bottom to the top equal to target. You should follow the following rules. If the stream of the integer is not empty, pick the next integer from the stream and push it to the top of the stack. If the stack is not empty, pop the integer at the top of the stack. If at any moment the elements of the stack from the bottom to the top are equals to target, do not add new integers from the stream and do not do more operations on the stack. Return the stack operations needed to build target following the mentioned rules. If there are multiple valid answers, return any of them. So let's try to do it. First of all, what is the stack? Stack is the data structure where is the last input elements goes to the output first. You can imagine it like a stack of plates. When you put one plate on the top of the other plates and you are going to use one of these plates, you need to use some of top plates. So you use one plate on the top and so on. Also, we need a target list. For instance, in the first example, it's 1 and 3. And a number n equals to 3. For the n equals to 3, we have a stream 1, 2, and 3. And empty stack, for instance, like this. We have two basic operations. We can use one integer from the stream, for instance, from the beginning it's 1, and push it on the stack. If you have a not empty stack, you can use the top element from the stack and pop it. If the elements on the stack equal to elements in input array target, where we stop calculating and return the final result. Let's simulate it. For instance, we will start from the beginning of stream, and the first element is 1. For this element we don't have any elements in the stack, so we can only push it. So we push one element on the stack and write operation. For the second element we have two options. We can push 2 on the stack or pop 1 from the stack. Because we have 1 in the final result in the target list, we keep 1 on the stack, so we push 2 and write push to the final list. To the next integer, we have 3. And we have two options. We have push 3 on the stack or pop 2 from the stack. In this case, we don't have 2 in the final result, so we need to remove it from the stack. So we remove 2 and write pop here. And check 3 again. Now we have also two options: push 3 on the stack or remove 1 from the stack. Because we have 1 in final result, we push 3 on the stack, write push as a result, and now we see stack has the same elements as the target list. So we stop any operations and return final result: push, push, pop, and push. And if you see the example number 1, output is the same: push, push, pop, push. Let's do it in the code. So I will create a final list result where I will write push and pop operations. Also, I need a variable to keep current index of the target variable. By default, it's 0. And now I'm going to check all stream numbers and push or pop if needed. So for num in range, we have range 1 to n, so it's 1 to n plus 1, because in Python range doesn't include the end of the interval. And here we check if num equals to next element in target array. In this case, we increment the index of target array, and we will find the next element in the stream. And also we need to check if we find all elements in target array, it will be valid if ti equals to len of target. In this case, we break the loop. It's interesting, we don't need save actual stack because we only need operations. And for each number, first operation is always a push. So we use function method append, which add new elements to the list result. So we append push each time. And in case if current num is not equal to target ti, in this case we pop elements from the stack. After all, we return result variable. That's it, and let's check. All tests passed. Let's submit it. It works. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.